Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Best practices for Excel charting. Now, before you build a chart, you need data. And in this series, we will be covering, or we'll be using, Microsoft's profit and loss statement for the last 10 years. This information is available on their website via the Securities Exchange Commission requirement, and that is public companies must provide quarterly and annual revenue data. And you're going to see this data throughout this session and the upcoming sessions. What we'll be looking at throughout are the highlighted areas. In this particular example over to the right, this chart is just two items. You have total revenue and net profit. The starting point of any chart within Excel is data. And you can pick whatever data you want to analyze and show on the chart. There's probably hundreds of chart styles that you can incorporate. A chart is essentially an object that Excel creates upon request. The object consists of one or more data series displayed graphically. The appearance of the data series depends on the selected chart type. For example, if you create a line chart that uses two data series, we have two data series. We have revenue, and then we have income. Each line represents one data series. The data for each series is stored in a separate row or column. And here we have the separate rows. And you can distinguish the lines by their thickness, line styles, color, or data markers. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.